My name is Jason Spillman. My title with Turner Construction is Carpenter Foreman, and I've been in the commercial construction industry for almost 20 years. Really the way I got introduced to construction was playing with Legos and toys as a kid. I had a huge box of them, and I love Legos and love building stuff and moving stuff around. The love that I have for building stuff, it all stems from Legos.
My name's David Poole, and I'm from Nashville, Tennessee. Work for Turner Construction as a senior superintendent. I would say my 40 plus years in the business was something that my dad actually encouraged me to do. So my responsibilities on the project being the senior superintendent, I'm actually responsible for everybody there and everything that goes on. From whatever it is with the owner, to our subcontractors, to our own labor, I'm responsible for them.
So my typical day, we start work at 6:30. We do a job site huddle at 6:45. We stretch and flex. From then we do a pre-task plan where we talk about with my team and my supervisors what are the tasks that we have to do today and what are the hazards of these tasks and how can we eliminate these hazards. So there's a lot of planning on putting a 2x4 on. We have to plan for it. We have to make sure safety-wise everything's going to be taken care of because we don't want accidents to happen.
Now the skills you need to complete my job, not necessarily a 4-year college education, but the willingness to want to learn through the process of on-the-job type training, reading, and really paying attention to people that you work around.
The main skills you need to complete my job, you have to have some leadership qualities. You have to be able to delegate.
It's just like anybody going to an office with a town. It's no different.
I think the main thing people would be surprised about was the money. I mean, I don't think people really understand. It can be a very rewarding for you personally and financially.
So I have been, during my career, from Miami, Florida to Connecticut, by way of Georgia, Kentucky, Tennessee, Louisiana, Texas. I've traveled all over the southeast and some of the north. It's probably the only place you can go to work every day and have fun, build something, and make a living at it.
You don't have to know it all when you show up. There's always room to grow as long as you want to grow.
The sky's the limit as long as you want it and want to work for it.